Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. Today in this episode, we will be learning how to download and install Bybit application on your Android device. Downloading Bybit on your Android is super easy. First of all, unlock your Android phone and open up Google Play Store. Now, tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner. This will bring up a search box at the top. Type in Bybit and search. Look for this Bybit, Buy Bitcoin and Crypto application and tap on Install. Wait for the application to download and install, which may take a few minutes. Once the installation is done, you can tap on the Open button that pops up. An app shortcut will be created on your app drawer for Bybit. You can then open up the app, sign up or log in with your Bybit account and start exploring the platform. So that's how you successfully download and install Bybit application on your Android device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.